In this video, we're going to show you how to delete your Shein application using your iOS device. If you've recently gotten rid of your Shein account and you'd also like to get rid of the application from your iPhone or Android devices, then here's how you can do it. To delete your Shein application from your iPhone, go ahead and locate the Shein app in your app drawer. Once you find the app, press hold it for a few seconds. Now, you'll be able to see the remove app button. Tap on it and tap the delete button twice and you should be able to get rid of your Shein application on your iPhone. Pretty simple, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not yet and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from Webtech Tutorial. I'll be back with more of these tutorials again. Thanks for watching.